Dear students, in this video we'll discuss about Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition, Class 4, Chapter number 1, Nouns. Okay, so here turn page number 12. So here read this passage, underline the nouns as you read. Okay, so I have already underlined. You can also write, you can also make underline in your book. So here day, Anita, garden, colony, swarm, flowers, flock, Anita, doll, then again Anita, anima. Okay, then Wesley, then Wish, Anita, then homework. So here I have mentioned in this box. Okay, anima. So I have left here anima. This is also proper noun. Then next, now fill in the blanks to complete Anita's story. One has been done. Okay, so here first answer has been given. Next, she didn't know all the answers. Okay, two options given. So you know all. So this is plural. So answers will be used here. So anima. The first one is proper noun always start with capital letter. So here the first option will be correct. Anima. Okay, anima. Then Anita. The next, sometimes anima couldn't work out maths or geography answers. Okay, not answer, answers. So here answers written in wrong spelled here. Okay, so this one will be correct. The next, Anita, here proper noun always start with capital. So your second one will be correct. After two, here two. Okay, the plural will be follow 2 months. If there is given after one, the month will be correct. The flocks of sparrows. Flock. Okay, here definite article the is used. A flock of sparrows, the flock of sparrows, not flocks. Okay, so second one will be correct, flock. The next, Ahima had to go away with the sparrows. So your sparrow spelling, this is wrong spell. So here the second one will be correct. Anita was sad about her teacher Mrs. Jadeja. This is proper noun, always start with capital. So the second one will be correct. Happy because Anita never stopped doing her homework. Okay, homework, not homeworks. Second one will be correct. Then next, identify the collective nouns from the words underlined in the following sentences. So here many boys said that they would join Navi. Okay, this Navi is collective. Then next, they are my friends from my class. Class. Okay, class is collective noun. We form a group. Group is a collective noun. We have formed a library. Okay, library of books. We have formed a library. So your library will be collective noun. We also like photography. We once photographed a troop. Your troop is collective noun. We always feel happy to see flocks. Okay, flocks. Here no article used. Okay, so you can say flocks of birds. So your flocks will be collective noun. Then next, no one knows that I want to be an astronaut and fly to the galaxy. The galaxy is a collective noun. Then next, identify the nouns in the sentences given below and write their genders in the blanks given. So here my uncle. Okay, so uncle, masculine, then aunt, feminine. This man is a farmer. Man, masculine, farmer can, here farmer is common noun. His wife is a good cook. Wife is feminine, cook is common gender. Then next, the artist is a common gender. Then sons, masculine gender. Friend, friend is a common, computer is neuter gender. The bridegroom, masculine, cousin. So here, the bridegroom is my cousin. So your cousin, may be common gender, but in this sentence, my bridegroom. So you can also write here masculine. As the bridegroom is masculine, so cousin can be masculine or feminine. But in this sentence, masculine. The baby is our. The baby, common gender. Child is also common. Neighbor, you can also write. This is possessive noun. Neighbors. This is also common. Okay, neighbor may be male or female. Then next, the flowers in the vase. Flowers is a common. Okay. Then vase is neuter. Garden is also neuter. Then next rewrite the following sentences using the opposite gender of the underlined word. So here the hens, okay, the roosters. Then next the horse, the mare. The prince, the princess. Then next there are 12 geese, gander, okay. Then next the lady, the gentleman. Then next the lady, complete the my father, my mother. Then next a stag, a doe, okay. Then next here I have mentioned that tree, okay. Tree, you know the gender of a tree is definable. A tree certainly can be called male or female, but not in every case. What makes a tree distinctively male is known as it's a flower. That's why I have mentioned here flower, okay. You know flower here common gender, okay. The flower can be male or female. So here, okay, so what makes the tree distinctively, you know, it's flower. So it can be neuter tree. It is neuter gender because a tree cannot be recognized as female or male like we are being, okay. Then next, put the expression in the correct column. So you have to place the countable noun in and also uncountable noun in the correct box. Here banana, you know, countable banana as a few eggs countable, 10 trees countable, few moments countable, many bicycles countable, some chairs countable, a lot of birds countable, an hour of work countable, bowl of soup, okay, countable. Then some bread, you know, uncountable. Then a lot of sugar uncountable, a little milk uncountable, how much sand uncountable, enough water uncountable, don't have any money uncountable, little time also uncountable. Then next write countable and uncountable, you know, lady countable, ladies, air is uncountable, light is uncountable, doll is countable, teacher is countable, window is countable, silver uncountable, fence countable because it has plural form fences, oxygen uncountable, music uncountable, mud uncountable, mountain countable because it has plural form mountains, news is uncountable, love is also uncountable. Then next, use of to change the following as shown. The rays, the sun's rays, the rays of the sun. The flowers petals, the petals of, okay, you know, we use of to denote the possession. This is, you know, possessive noun. Of the, okay, of the, of the, of the. You can start from the end part like here. The flowers petal, the petals of the flower. The boy surprise, the surprise of the boy. The children's toys, the toys of the children. The ocean's depth, the depth of the ocean. The river's bed, the bed of the river. Okay, here mentioned. Then next, use apostrophic s to change the following as shown. The taste of the soap. The soap state. Here you can also similarly you can start from the end. The feathers eagle. The eagle's feathers. The dress of the baby's dress. The color of the leaves color. The friends of the girl's friend. The stem of the plant stem. Okay, here mention answer. Then next fill in the blank to get the correct sentence. One has been done for you. Okay. So here the flies come from the nearby buses. People mostly throw overripe tomatoes. They also throw dirty boxes. The cleaners. Okay, here they are angry at the neighborhoods. Here possessive. Okay, possessive noun, neighborhoods. They can't get rid of the swarm. Okay, swarm of flies. Then next, dash will not help them. Okay, sprays. Here the first one will be correct. Sprays. Knives will not kill the flies. Okay, knives. Second one, what would help is clean habits. Okay, habits. Then next, so here you have to write the plural form of the noun and also possessive noun. Child, okay, child, children, childs, women, womens, buffaloes, buffaloes, mice, mouse, houses, house, wives, wives, bridges. So here possessive. Okay, these are possessive noun. Glasses, glass, boys, boys. Okay, babies, here babies. Then next, churches. Okay, so here possessive, then scraps, so here this is possessive, then parties, then next possessive, foxes, written in here possessive. Okay, then next, so here revision. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Nouns that refer to a group of things are called collective noun. Noun can be put under four gender types: masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Some nouns can be counted, but some nouns can't be counted. Possessive nouns tell us who owns what. Okay, so I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, so here you can write a flower. Okay, flower can be masculine, can be feminine. Okay, so you can here write a common noun,